Good morning students. Today we are starting with XY recorders. As far as figure of XY recorder is concerned, it contains at the top Y input and at the bottom X input is there. Y input goes to attenuator, attenuator's output goes to balance circuit, then there is another input to balance circuit from reference source and whose output goes to summing an amplifier whose output goes to pen drive motor who controls driving of the pen in the Y direction, that is called Y channel. Again at the bottom there is X input attenuator whose output goes to balance circuit and another input to balance circuit is from reference source whose output goes to adder amplifier and whose output drive motor which controls the movement of arm in the X channel. In XY recorders, one cell balancing potentiometer circuit moves a recording pen in the X direction, while another cell balancing potentiometer circuit moves the recording pen in the Y direction at right angle to the X direction, with the paper remains stationary. A signal enters each of the two channels. Attenuators are used to bring the input signals to the levels acceptable by the recorder. Thus, a pair of servo system drives a recording pen in two axes simultaneously through a proper chart. We get a recorder of one variable with respect to another. Already we have studied a strip chart recorder, in which strip chart recorders the variations of a quantity with respect to time, while XY recorder is an instrument which gives a graphic record of the relationship between two variables. In strip chart recorders, usually cell balancing potentiometers are used. These cell balancing potentiometers plot the EMF as a function of time. The XY recorders and EMF is plotted as a function of another EMF. This is done by having cell balancing potentiometer control the position of the rolls, while another cell balancing potentiometer controls the position of the recording pen. In some XY recorder, one cell balancing potentiometer circuit moves a recording pen in the X direction, while another cell balancing potentiometer circuit moves the recording pen in the Y direction at right angles to the X directions, while the paper remains stationary. There are many variations of XY recorders. The EMF for operation of XY recorders may not necessarily measure only voltage. The measured EMF may be the output of the transducer that may measure displacement force, pressure, strain, light intensity of any other physical quantity. Thus, with the help of XY recorders and a transducer, a physical quantity may be plotted against another physical quantity. Hence, an XY recorder consists of a payoff serve system driving a recording pen in two axes through a proper sliding pen and moving arm arrangement with reference to a stationary paper chart, and signal enters each of two channels. The signal are attenuated to the inherent full scale range of the recorder. The signal then passes to a balance circuit where it is compared with an internal reference voltage. This completes your XY recorder. There may be a question: draw and explain XY recorder, strip chart recorder, galvanometer recorder, LED, plasma displays and others type of questions in a question paper, or it will carry around 8 marks. For this 8 mark you have to draw a circuit diagram, block diagram, and you have to explain it. We will stop here today. We will see next part. Tomorrow we will see next part. Thank you very much.